So we just attended this session on one-to-one help, which was a lifestyle modification session.
Kudos to make matter important.
And I'm really grateful that I attended this session.
Thank you so much for organizing.
Thank you so much, Virendra, for inviting me.
When it comes to your emotional well-being or mental well-being, we don't know about it, how to take care of this. Are you excited? Yes. So Ambika, over to you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Virendra. Thank you for introducing me, and thank you everyone for such a warm welcome. We're going to be talking about lifestyle modification. Now I know this term sounds like pata nahi kya hi hai. It sounds very alien, but this is more about some changes that maybe you're already doing, maybe something you want to work on, maybe some habits that you want to change and you don't know मैं कैसे बदलूँ ये सब कुछ. Our 5 senses. किसी को पता है हमारे 5 senses कौन से होते हैं? So through the app, you can reach out and book sessions, or you can call us on our toll-free numbers. So those are the 1-800 numbers. And if you feel maybe if any of your colleagues want support, right? So you can let them know about it.
I think it was a great session, and it really helped us to force ourselves to think about what really are we doing. Are we really focused about our well-being or not? So kudos to make matter important.
I took this session more as a reminder on things. Some things I already knew, but sometimes you need a reminder. So I think we'll take that into account and try to implement the strategies more as a long-term strategies. Yeah.
This session was very valuable for me. It was an awakening call and gave me a reminder that it's not about thinking. We just need to plan and act on it and getting things done in the right manner. So it was very wonderful session by Ambika, and I'm really grateful that I attended this session.
It has been a very enriching session. I mean, I definitely take a lot of motivation out of it, especially about the importance of habits.
Hey everyone, so the session was just amazing. We had Viru with us who organized it, and it was such a wonderful session. We had a lot of things that we are taking away, be it positive affirmations, be it act if you may, and a lot many things. It was an amazing session. Thank you so much for organizing.
So we just attended this session on one-to-one help, which was a lifestyle modification session. So the key takeaway from the session was that sometimes you think you might know everything and how to deal with your life, but sometimes listening to others and taking a workshop on it can give you insights which you never know that you could have done for yourself. Overall, it was a very fantastic session and a very energetic vibe.
So thank you so much, Virendra, for inviting me. The session was so interactive and it was so engaging. It was very nice to see all the participants engaging and sharing their viewpoints about holistic well-being and how to achieve their lifestyle goals. And every participant had so many valuable suggestions for each other, and they were learning from one another, which was very positive to see. And it was really nice to get positive feedback from the employees as well, everyone who attended here. It was a very positive session, so thank you again for inviting me.